Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Monday, June 19th. Mixed markets last week, mixed markets on the day Friday. Dow continues to lead the way, up and away, gaining 0.5% for the 5 days. And we had the S&P up 0.1% on the week, 1 point on the week, but it is positive after having the negative week the week prior. The NDX, key reversal, still intact right now after that higher high on that Friday before and a lower close. So last week the market was down 1%, but let's put in perspective, the NDX, those top tech stocks, are still up 17% year to date. Looking at other markets, we saw crude oil backing off a little bit, down 150 on the week. No new lows last week, which was interesting that we attempted to hit that May low around 44.10, but didn't get there, got to 44.20, bounced, firmed up, closed around 45. Gold was a loser. Gold was down 15 bucks on the week. It tried to take out 1,300 a couple weeks ago at 12.99 highs, but since then it's been on a drift lower. And lastly, the VIX lost about 5% as volatility came out of some of those stocks. So where do we stand here on Monday morning to start a new trading week? Stocks are stronger. We've got the S&P closing in on the record highs there. We are right now at 2442, up 11, so just within a point or so. The Dow continues to run, leading the way. Right now the Dow is up, where do we stand? I can't read the board here, up 80 right now, making some new record highs in the blue chips. And the NDX is recovering from its losses, bouncing back some. We're up 80 points right now. Here we go, 65 points, up about 0.75%. Now let's talk about this retracement. If the NDX can get back to those Friday highs, not Friday, but the Friday before, what we've seen every other time, every single time the market has bounced back and come back to the previous highs, you take the distance of that sell-off, add it on top to that top, and that projects about an 8% higher move from where we stand right now. Looking at other markets, gold continues to move down to the 1250 level, down $6. 1225 was a recent low. It ran from 1225 to 1299, so 1265 is an important midpoint to keep an eye on. And crude right now is steady. We're now trading the August contract. July contract is over and done. Looking at crude right now, we're at 45.10, up about 15 cents. So to summarize, stocks are strong, posting new highs here in the Dow, very close in the S&P, right now up 11 points, and the NDX is bouncing the most, up 0.75% right now, up 60. Alan Nuckman here in Chicago, where it all comes back to commodities.